Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! No? Then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Inept. Inept means lacking or showing a lack of skill or competence. We will see a few examples to understand the word inept better.
Example 1. Since my son is socially inept, he does not have many friends. Example 2. Even though Zack had gone to driving school for a long time, he is still an inept driver.
Example 3. I would never have asked him to teach if I had known how inept he is at teaching. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word inept are clumsy, unhandy, awkward, incompetent, lacking, bungling, bumbling, bored, inexpert, unskillful, maladroit, unproductive.
The next word of the day is
Pedantic. Pedantic means excessively concerned with minute details or formal rules, especially in teaching. We will see a few examples to understand the word pedantic better.
Example 1. Madhu's article is informative and scholarly, but not pedantic. Example 2. Ernest is so pedantic in writing in the exam that he forgets to manage his time properly.
Example 3. Natasha is a pedantic employee who always checks her work for accuracy. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word pedantic are precise, exact, fussy, perfectionist, formalist, didactic, scrupulous, egghead, meticulous, fastidious, punctilious, captious, overnice, pedagogic, scholastic.
The next word of the day is
Retaliate. Retaliate means make an attack in return for a similar attack. We will see a few examples to understand the word retaliate better.
Example 1. They bombed the enemy colonies in retaliate for the assassination of their leader. Example 2. After Mohan insults Janvi, her retaliation involved punching Kevin in the face.
Example 3. This movie is about the soldiers retaliate against the enemies who had killed his family. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word retaliate are fight back, revenge, vengeance, retribution, reprisal, get even, strike back, respond, reply, react, reciprocate, counterattack.
The next word of the day is
Proficient. Proficient means well advanced or competent in any art, science or subject. Skilled, skillful. We'll see an example to understand the word proficient better.
Example 1. YouTube channel English Vocab aims to make you proficient at English vocabulary. Example 2. If you wanted to become proficient at something, then practice it regularly.
Example 3. Nowadays, most of the job advertisement request only those job applicants to apply for a job who are proficient in English and computer. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word proficient are adept, adroit, agile, consummate, deft, dexterous, prowess.
The next word of the day is
Invincible. Invincible means too powerful to be defeated or overcome or prevent from doing what is intended. We will see an example to understand the word invincible better.
Example 1. Gurkhali army shows an invincible courage to save Nepal from British ruler. Example 2. My mother's invincible spirit gave her the strength to battle back from COVID-19.
Example 3. Nearly every building seems to prove themselves invincible during the recent earthquake. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word invincible are indomitable, impervious, impregnable, unyielding.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.